Послушаем простой рассказ на английском. Anna wakes up early. She eats breakfast. She has bread and eggs. After breakfast, she goes to the park. The park is near her house. Anna likes the park. It is big and green. There are many trees. Birds sing in the trees. Anna sits on a bench. She reads a book. The sun is warm. Anna sees her friend, Tom. Tom has a dog. The dog's name is Max. Max is very happy. He runs and plays. Anna and Tom talk. They laugh and smile. Anna and Tom walk around the park. They see flowers. The flowers are red and yellow. Anna takes a photo of the flowers. Tom takes a photo of Anna. It is noon now. Anna is hungry. Tom is hungry too. They go to a cafe. The cafe is small but nice. They eat sandwiches. They drink juice. After lunch, Anna and Tom go home. Anna feels happy. She had a good day at the park. She likes spending time with friends. Listen to the next story. My best friend's name is Alex. Alex is a cheerful and kind person. When I need help, he helps me. If I feel sad, we meet and laugh together. Recently, we went to nature and barbecued. In winter, Alex and I go skiing. In the summer, we ride a bike. Alex has a funny dog named Chaff Chaff. She is very active and always runs after us. If we are riding a bicycle, the dog runs after us. In the evening, we like to watch movies together. We also like to play badminton. It's a lot of fun, and we laugh when we play. I love spending time with Alex. I miss him when we're not together. Listen to the next story. Today I woke up with an unpleasant feeling. I had a throat ache. I went to the kitchen and boiled water. I made chamomile tea. This tea helps heal my throat. I added 1 spoon of honey to the tea. I rarely get sick. If I have a high temperature, I call the doctor. The doctor prescribes me pills. If I have a headache, I drink coffee. Because I have low blood pressure, then I lie down in bed and rest. I do not like to be ill. But when I'm sick, My friends visit me. They bring me fruits and sweets. Listen to the next story. I am very skittish. I am afraid of everything. That is why I don't go outside when it is dark. The sound in the treetops scares me. Recently, I was scared by a cat that ran in front of me. If someone screams, I get scared too. I usually go for a walk with my friend. When I get scared, she laughs. I grab her hand and press myself against her. I don't watch horror films because I am scared. I live alone, so if there is a rustle in the other room, I cover myself with a blanket and lie very quietly under it. When I am thinking about something, I can be startled by a phone call. I recently bought a dog. I feel safe next to her. She protects me. Listen to the next story. Tomorrow I will go for a walk with my friend. We agreed with her to do this in the morning. We will meet her near the stadium. There are many beautiful places there. There's a lot of free space there. We will take our dogs with us. They also love to walk together. First, we will walk and talk. Then we will run 10 kilometers. Most likely, after the walk, we will buy ice cream. My friend will buy chocolate ice cream, and I will buy pistachio ice cream. We will have a good time together. After the walk, we will go to her house. We will drink cold strawberry juice. We will listen to music and laugh. Listen to the next story. When I go to the store, I always pay for my purchases with a card. If I forgot my card at home, I can pay for purchases with my phone. The Google Pay application is installed there. I very rarely pay for purchases in cash in my country, because in my country, there are terminals for paying by bank card everywhere. But when I go on a trip, I always take cash with me. I usually exchange money at the airport when I arrive. I ask, where can I exchange my money? But sometimes I have to use exchange offices in the city. I can also exchange money at an ATM. If the ATMs are not working, then I pay with my card in the store. It's not profitable because the exchange rate there is bad. If I go to visit my friends, they exchange my money for me. I like collecting coins from different countries. With each new country, I add several new coins to my collection. Where do you exchange money?